Hello, it's me again, you girl Eve, and today I'm showing you guys how I do my highlight contour, name that, yes, to get this flawless look. This is a video which was requested by most of the people here, and they were telling me, Eve, you know what, we need to what you normally do to get that flawless look. So here is your answer, guys. You don't want to miss this. If you're new to my channel, hit that red button there and the bell button so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. You don't want to miss this, guys. You don't want to miss this. You will enjoy. eh eh to my followers, to my fans, keep enjoying, guys. You guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Let's get straight to the video. As you can see, guys, I've already done my eye makeup. Ooh, let me know what you think about this eye makeup. I always start with a primer, guys, and for the primer I use this Stay Matte primer. It's by Rimmel London, yeah. So I'll just take a little amount of it and prime my face. Yeah, I'm going to take this Maybelline Superstay foundation, yeah, in the shade Warm Coconut. This is shade 356, number 356, guys. So I'm going to just grab some amount, but there, see that? Then take my brush, take my foundation brush. I use this one for BH Cosmetics, yeah, like that amount. Make sure you spread nicely. Then start blending all over. Take time to blend, take your time, take your sweet time, because blending is everything. See that, guys? See that? Always take your time when blending your foundation, because when you blend your foundation well, everything else falls into place. Like, the foundation is the in thing, so take your time to blend it. Other people prefer using, okay, sometimes I use a brush, sometimes I use my beauty blenders, okay? So it's what you like, use what you feel it's comfortable with you. So you can use a beauty blender or a brush. So keep blending. Now my foundation is okay, and to the next step, I'll take my concealer, and I normally use the LA Girl concealer, this this one in the shade Fawn and this one in the shade Beige. So what I do, I use both of them. So I'll start with the Beige. Then I mix with the Fawn. You see, Fawn is darker, so I always outline that part there to get my favorite color. Then onto my nose. Then my forehead. So I'm gonna set this Yes. Then I'll make my beauty blender damp. What I do is like I spray my beauty blender to get that flawless look. Start blending. And when blending this eye area, you have to like look up. Blend. And to the next step now, it's the baking process, and I'm gonna take my sachet buttercup and bake. This is the setting powder. I'll take the same beauty blender this other side, then I'll take this my BH Cosmetics palette. It comes in these 5 shades. Are they 5? Yeah, 5 shades. So I'm gonna take this darker shade and like contour with this. I will grab a little amount of this like so, then contour here, here, see that? Then part of my nose, then a little bit here and here, then this area. So now I'm gonna take my brush here, then blend again that part. And now my setting powder is baked, so we're gonna blend that. Take another brush from BH Cosmetics also, then do it like so. Now I'm going to take my finishing powder and I'm going to use black opal. Yeah, this black opal finishing powder, this one. This is now what you use like to blend all your makeup. See that, guys? There are no harsh lines. Blending, guys, blending is everything. Keep blending until you get that look that you really want. Didn't mention the shade of this black opal, the finishing powder. It's medium number 3, so that's what I used. I'll take my contour palette here. This is my contour palette, this shade, this brown shade, and I'm gonna set again this contour here. Set it. See that? Yeah, I'm gonna take my Trend In. It's called Trend It Up powder blush. So to give this some color, I'll just do some blush. This is another brush. See that, guys? Wow, I love. I'll take my J-Cut highlighter. I love this highlighter, guys. It's so like pigmented. See? So I'm gonna do a little bit. See that, guys? It's so like pigmented. Oh, okay, don't do that so much of it. So I'm gonna rub it like so, then blend it. See that glow? I'll now highlight this other part of the nose. And the lip area here. Now I'm going to set all this, then do my lippy. And to set, I'm using still the LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. Ooh. For the lippy, I'm going to use the Sleek Matte Me in the shade, yeah, maroon, then this Morphe pink. So let me do that. So guys, this is my final look. You can see the way I'm glowing. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and tell me what you think about this look. Bye guys. Cheers.